Hello everyone, this is Bhumika Parekh from Leal Public School. We are with the second part of the chapter Go Girl Go, which is from class 6 English book Living English. On the first part of the chapter, we read about Hima Das, who's a sprinter, and the way she got to the position she is today. The next person we are going to talk about is Swapna Barman. Okay, what she has done in her life, we are going to see about that. Okay, this is a news cutting, and then we'll get to know what she has actually done. Roosters Call Calcutta 3rd September 2018 का न्यूज़पेपर कटिंग है ये, ठीक है. Asian Games, India's first heptathlete wins India's first gold. Okay, Swapna Barman clinched India's first ever heptathlon gold at the Asian Games this year. She accumulated 6026 points from the 7 events that she completed in over 2 days. The 7 events were high jump, javelin throw, shot put, long jump, 100 meter, 200 meter, and 800 meter run. She was a junior national record holder in high jump before she took up heptathlon on the advice of her coach Subhash Sarkar. The heroic heptathlete had to fight pain and discomfort throughout the Asian Games. She has an extra toe on each foot and did not have customized shoes to suit her feet. She also had a terrible toothache on the day of the final event, showing courage and determination. She won the gold medal and made history for India. She won it on India's National Sport Day, which made it extra special. Her next target is to do well in 2020 Olympics. Okay? So the winner she is in heptathlon. Now, first to understand what a heptathlon is, we have to look at this particular box. A heptathlon is a track and field event. It is combined of event contests made up of 7 events. The name comes from hepta for 7 and athlon for feet. A competitor in this event is called an heptathlete. So heptathlete is basically a track and field इवेंट, ठीक है, जिसके अंदर आपको दौड़ने का भी काम होता है और फील्ड के ऊपर कोई चीज परफॉर्म करने का भी आपको रहता है, ठीक है. दिस इज एन इवेंट दैट हैज 7 इवेंट्स, ठीक है. इट इज अ कंबाइंड इवेंट्स. इसकी पूरा जो गेम है इसके अंदर 7 इवेंट्स होते हैं, ठीक है. आउट ऑफ व्हिच इन व्हिच शी पार्टिसिपेटेड वाज हाई जंप 1, javelin throw 2, shot put 3, long jump 4, 100 meter 5, 200 meter 6 and 800 meter 7. These were the 7 events she participated और इन 7 के 7 के अंदर उन्होंने 6026 points जो है वो win किए हैं and then she won this, ठीक है, in the Asian Games in 2018. Okay. She was a junior national record holder in high jump before she took up heptathlon. Heptathlon join करने से पहले she was a national record holder in junior section. Junior section के अंदर she was a national record holder. Okay. And on the advice of a coach, उनके जो कोच थे सुभाष सरकार, उन्होंने उनको ये एडवाइस किया कि आप जाके हैप्टाथलॉन जो है वो करो, ठीक है. Throughout throughout the Asian Games, she was having some or the other problem. She has extra toe in both her feet, मतलब दोनों पाँव में 5 की जगह 6 toes है इनके, ठीक है. एंड इनके पास में कस्टमाइज शूज नहीं थे जो इनके पैरों के बने हुए, जिसके अंदर थोड़ा सा एक्स्ट्रा स्पेस हो उस एक्स्ट्रा टो के लिए. बट स्टिल शी वोन इट. शी हैड एन extremely terrible toothache on the date of the final event. जिस दिन फाइनल इवेंट का या लास्ट दिन था उस दिन उनके दांत में बहुत तेज दर्द था, बट विदाउट गिविंग इम्पोर्टेंस टू दैट पेन, शोइंग करेज, अपनी हिम्मत, अपना जो डिटर्मिनेशन है वो सारा दिखा के उन्होंने क्या किया, उन्होंने इंडिया के लिए हिस्ट्री बनाया एंड won the gold medal, ठीक है. दैट आल्सो ऑन India's National Sports Day, ठीक है, which made it extra special. Because she won it on India's National Sports Day, it was made even more special and the date was 29 August. Okay, the date was 29 August and her target is to win 2020 Olympics. That is a news cutting from 2018. Okay, then she is from Jalpaiguri in West Bengal, which is a small town in West Bengal, Jalpaiguri. Okay, she received 1.5 lakh as annual sports scholarship from Great Sports Infra in 2016. She was such an tremendous outperformer कि उनको 2016 के अंदर 1 स्कॉलरशिप भी मिला था 1.5 लाख एवरी ईयर. In 2017, she won gold for Asian Championship in heptathlon. Okay, so this was what she has done and achieved in her life. The third section of the chapter is about Vinesh Fogart, who is a wrestler. This news article is from 2018, 5th September. Asian Games, Vinesh Fogart becomes first Indian woman wrestler to win gold. She is the first Indian woman to win a gold in Asian Games. Vinesh Fogart beat Yuki Iri of Japan in the final of the women's wrestling at the Asian Games 2018, thus becoming the first Indian woman wrestler to win a gold medal at the Asian Games. Earlier on her way to the final, Vinesh had defeated Yan Sun of China. Vinesh had suffered a heartbreaking leg injury during the Rio Olympics against Sun. She did not allow that to affect her. She came out a winner with an incredible score of 8-2. When she landed in Jakarta, the wrestler was more than 4 kilograms above the requested weight for her category. She had to lose 4 kilograms in 3 days to participate in the event. She was on liquid diet for 3 days, worked out in a non-air conditioned hall to increase sweating and double the number of training sessions. She did not lose 4 kilograms, but was not at her peak during the competition. Yet, in a brilliant display of mental strength, she won the gold medal. She has won many medals at other events, including a silver at the 2018 Asian Wrestling Championship in Kazakhstan and a gold at 2018 Commonwealth Games. Okay, so Vinesh Fogart is what you're thinking from Geeta Fogart, Mahavir Fogart, and Babita Kumari's family. She's a cousin of them. Okay, she's their cousin, and she won the gold medal at the Asian Games in 2018, and she's the first Indian woman to win that. Okay, फाइनल के अंदर उन्होंने यूकी इरी ऑफ जापान को हराया है और सेमीफाइनल के अंदर फाइनल्स में आने के लिए सेमीफाइनल्स के अंदर यनान सुन को हराया है, who's from China. One history she belongs to या relates to with Yanan Sun is that when the Rio Olympics were going on, she had a leg injury while fighting Sun. ये जो यनान सुन है ना चाइना की, जब इनसे रेसलिंग हो रही थी इनकी रियो ओलंपिक्स में, she had a very bad leg injury at that time, but that did not let her affect. उससे उनको ये ब्रेन में नहीं आया कि इसने मुझे पहले भी हराया हुआ है, मैं इसको कैसे हरा पाऊंगी. She was very strong at her mind and she defeated her by 8-2. Means विनेश के 8 points और यनान सुन के only 2 points. तो इतनी अच्छी तरीके से ये उनसे जीत के निकले. When she landed in Jakarta, जब वो जकार्ता पहुंचे थे गेम्स के लिए, she was 4 kilograms extra than the weight required. Supposingly अगर उनका वेट 55 होने की जरूरत थी, तो उनका वेट जो है वो 59 था. तो 4 kgs उनका जो वेट है एक्स्ट्रा था. 3 days के अंदर she had to lose that 4 kilograms. She was on liquid diet for 3 days, worked out in a non-air conditioned hall to increase sweating and double the number of training sessions. वो एक liquid diet पे थे 3 days के लिए. नॉन कंडीशन नॉन एसी हॉल के अंदर वो वर्कआउट करते थे ताकि एक्स्ट्रा स्वेटिंग आए, और जितने ट्रेनिंग सेशंस लेते थे उनको स्ट्रेट अवे डबल कर दिया था. शी डिड लूज 4 kilograms बट वाज नॉट एट अ पीक ड्यूरिंग द कंपटीशन. 4 kilograms तो इन्होंने लूज कर दिए थे, लेकिन 3 दिन तक अगर आप सिर्फ पानी पे या लिक्विड पे हो, जैसे जूस एंड ऑल दोस थिंग्स, एंड देन You're working out also double, तो फिर आप अपने पीक पे नहीं रह सकते, आपकी तबीयत तो खराब होएगी ना. तो सेम थिंग हैपेंड विद हर, बट शी डिड नॉट लेट दैट डिमोरलाइज हर और लेट दैट गेट ओवर हर. ठीक है, उन्होंने उस चीज को अपने ऊपर जो है वो हैवी नहीं होने दिया. ठीक है, with a mental strength she won it very perfectly and she won the gold medal. ठीक है, she also won the silver medal in Asian Wrestling Championship. And at Commonwealth Games, she also won a gold medal. Her uncle and former wrestler Mahavir Fogart taught her wrestling. Okay, she is from Bhiwani district and is a cousin of Geeta Fogart and Babita Kumari, who both are Commonwealth Games medalists. Okay. Indian sports has clearly come to a long way with 2018 bringing India's 66 medals at Commonwealth Games and 69 medals at Asian Games. Okay, Indian sports became very prominent at that particular time, and then in 2018, India won 66 medals at the Commonwealth Games and 69 medals in Asian Games. Women played a major role at both the sports events. They won 12 gold, 10 silver, and 6 bronze medals at Commonwealth Games. Commonwealth Games के अंदर उन्होंने 12 gold, 10 silver means 22, ठीक है, and 6 bronze means 28. 28 medals जो है वो women ने जीते थे, and 4 gold, 12 silver, 16 and 11, 27 medals at the Asian Games. So that was women's contribution in that particular year of sports, which was incredible. Seeing the past of Indian women in Indian sports, जो past अगर देखेंगे Indian women का Indian sports के अंदर, that has been very dark. उनको इतना promising career नहीं मिला है, उनको इतना space नहीं मिला है वहां पर, और फिर भी जब उनको वो सारी चीजें वो कर पाए, तो that was a very great thing which they could do, and that was a bright beginning for everybody जो ये उनसे सीख के या उनको अपनी inspiration बना के आगे जाना चाहते हैं, उनके लिए that is a very great thing. If you take inspiration from such people, you can achieve whatever you want in life. Okay, this chapter is also an introduction to you, to the women who needs to understand that the new world has opened for them. जो पुराना ट्रेडिशन था वो सारा धीरे धीरे खत्म हो रहा है, और उसके लिए आपको भी मेहनत करनी पड़ेगी, आपको भी अपना स्टैंड लेना पड़ेगा, and then you can fight the prejudice of the society and your shine yourself. I hope the chapter was clear to all of you, and you will get inspired by these wonderful sportswomen and see all the struggles they have gone through and they have reached there. So I hope all of you will take inspiration from this and do very good in your life. And the chapter is clear to all of you. Thank you.